So the current affairs of September 2nd, you can see over here. In terms of GDP, the ranks of top world economies in terms of GDP goes like US, China, Japan, Germany, UK, India, France. But in case of having membership in the UN Security Council, that is UNSC, we are having only P5 plus 1, that is recently Germany got added. Those P5 countries are US, China, Britain, France, Russia. So you have got the news like China along with India is taking part in Russia's exercise Vostok 2022. That is because maybe India, due to its want to get a permanent membership in the UNSC Council, it needs to have the support of China and Russia, who are already the P5 members in the UNSC. Because of not having any specific conditions in the UN Charter for getting membership in the UNSC, India is struggling a lot. It had been already 8 times a temporary member, and India, being representative of 1/6 of global population, still is suffocating to make its mark or entry into the UNSC. So in retaliation, Japan, Germany, India, Brazil, all four have started an alliance called as G4, and they want to secure their positions so as to represent their population in the UNSC and take key role decisions that impact the global arena. And next comes the important news article about INS. INS means Indian Naval Ship. It is nothing but basically an aircraft carrier vehicle. Yuddha Vimana Vahaka Nauka. That means a ship that carries the fighter planes, and these fighter planes are launched from the sea as the medium using these INS ships. I mean, the INS acts as a platform or a medium over which these different fighter planes like MiG-29 fighter planes as such, all these are placed or landed over this ship, and from there they are taken off. These fighter planes are taken off, that means run off, or then they are launched to explore. So now India is having only 2 INS or aircraft carrier vehicles, that is INS Vikramaditya, which we obtained or bought it from Russia in 2008. Then this INS Vikrant, it is nothing but originally the Britain aircraft carrier previously called as Hercules, then renamed as Vikrant, that was in action between 1961 to 97. Later on, even Hermes of Britain's ship was also aircraft carrier was also then renamed as Virat, but then even this one got lost recently due to their out of service, and right now we are having only 2, and India is planning to prepare to manufacture INS Vishal indigenously. So first India's indigenous aircraft carrier vehicle is INS Vikrant. INS Vishal, the largest and the heaviest that can handle over or that can constitute over large number of fighter planes, which is about 65,000 tons weight. So to launch these INS or aircraft carrier vehicles using technology which is called as Catobar and EMAN. Unlike previous Stobar technology, INS or aircraft carrier vehicles use technology called as Catobar, catapult assisted takeoff but arrested recovery, and EMAN, electromagnetic aircraft launch system. So we had to develop INS Vishal, which is of 65,000 tons, and Russia's INS Vikramaditya. And just now in Kerala, Prime Minister has launched this aircraft carrier vehicle INS Vikrant, that is 33,000 tons heavy. And Blue Water Force is a terminology which represents any army that can operate over bigger maritime area beyond beyond its own maritime borders, territorial areas, if it can operate far away from its own territorial waters, and carrier fleet, all the crew and the personnel that are operating in this aircraft carrier vehicle altogether called as a carrier fleet. And Mikhail Gorbachev, he is a luminary or acolyte from the USSR's last leader. He has passed away recently, and the national immunization program, quadrivalent humano-papillomavirus vaccine, was developed and it is going to be developed soon by Serum Institute of India at affordable prices for immunization of adolescent girls between 9 to 15 years of age against cervical cancer, and they are to be vaccinated so that they all are aware and spread awareness about this preventable disease. And PCV14 is another vaccine. This is a pneumococcal conjugate vaccine. It is called conjugate because the vaccine is made by the separate technology which mixes a protein and antigen. Streptococcus pneumoniae is the bacteria name which causes this pneumococcal disease in the infants, something that is related to lungs. So PCV14 vaccine was developed and it is to be inoculated into the kids against this Streptococcus pneumonia disease. So these are the news articles of September 2nd.